So guys, so it's for 180 trees. We got a mixture of 140 baht, 160 baht, and 180 baht. And we've got 60 of each. But it comes out to 28,000 baht. So it's not cheap to put in a durian farm. And a lot of people complain saying, oh, everybody's getting into it. It's not like rubber trees where there's like 10 baht a tree. A lot of Thais aren't getting into it. Yes, there are people investing into it, but it's not as widespread as what some will believe. All right, guys. I didn't get all the trees. I was only able to get 100 in there. So after we unload this, we'll go ahead and get the rest of them. Morning, guys. So today's the big day. We're going to go ahead and plant our grafted durian trees. That's my boy. He's spreading them out. Halfway through June now, and it's that time of the year to plant. The reason why, we get cloud cover constantly, and so when I plant, I'm not going to put a shade net. I'm putting it straight in, and it's going to have adequate water. All right, guys. Yeah. So pretty much about 4 or 5 months ago, we prepared this area with cow manure. We dug the holes out. I filled it back in with cow manure, soil conditioner, and a pH balancer and some granular fertilizer. And you can see over this time it has broken down. But 5 weeks ago, I dug it all back up and I left it like it is now. And you can see how the soil just turned. Look how I could just go right through it. So this soil now is just ideal for durian to be planted. The roots will go right through it. It's got a lot of organic matter in there, really soft. And you can just pretty much take it right out, real easy. So no clumps, no stickiness. So this is ideal for what you want to do. Again, if you haven't seen that video beforehand, how to prep your soil to make it look like this, you should probably watch that video. It'll help you out. That you're gonna learn. Hey guys, so here we go. This is what we do to prepare the holes. This is my secret, what I do. So the idea behind it is you want to build up all the microbes and beneficial bacteria in the soil that help break down, different organic matter that releases basically plant food that the tree is going to be feeding on. And the way that we do this is simple, okay? In the hole, I like to put some NPK fertilizer, not too strong, a 944. I'll go ahead and I'll put about a ½ kilo or about a pound, and I spread it around the hole. In addition to that, I use a soil conditioner, and I've got some soil conditioner here. And this just helps break down the dirt, break down the soil. Again, beneficial bacteria in it, just really good product. And what a lot of people don't realize is most soils around the world are lacking magnese. And so we like to put a little bit of magnesium into the hole. So we're going to liberally spread around, a couple teaspoons around the hole, on top of everything that we're putting in, and that'll be extremely beneficial. In addition to that, we like to put a little bit of crushed seashells, and this really controls the pH of the soil, and of course it's also beneficial to the tree, but we don't want to put too much. If your soil is really got a high pH, and you're going to put this in, it should balance you out. Okay, our soil is actually okay, but the reason why I'm putting it in is because of everything else I'm putting in, and I just want to just keep it balanced. Now, the organic matter that we go ahead and put in the hole, once we put all this in, is firstly we put hay. You can see the hay in the back of my truck. I want to go ahead and put a liberal amount of hay around the hole, basically filling in the indentation just about. And this has got two reasons why I want to put it in. First of all, worms are going to want to eat it. It's going to break down. It also is going to aerate what we're going to put on top, which is cow manure, okay? This bag behind me, we put a full sack on, which is basically about 12 to 15 kilos worth of cow manure. So we're going to put this whole bag on, and we're going to spread it around the hole. When you have flat land, one of the reasons to make mounds is so as your trees don't have stagnant water around the root. And that's what we do. We elevate the trees, And yes, it costs more money, but it's going to save your farm in the event of a tremendous downpour like we had last night. This water will evaporate a day or so, but other than that, guys, yeah, this is why you make mounds.
ลืมกรรไกรอ๋ออยู่นี่
Bella, what's it? Get it. Get it.
เอาผัดกะเพรา
Y'all done playing in the field? All right, get out there. Take a bath. Go. Bye.
So what is wrong with that? I'm not gonna be like everybody wants.
Okay.
Very sweet. Wan.
หวานหวานมัน
อร่อยมาก หอม
หอมโอเค
How we do it? Good drop, baby.